Hi everybody, and welcome to Truewants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. Now this is going to be a very quick video because I received a package from Girlactik and I wanted to make sure to share it with you guys. So on one of my videos that I had the opportunity to unbox and swatch, the actual people at Girlactik saw that video and they felt that I probably have chosen the wrong color. Now, if you are like me, Ipsy had chose that item for us. It was one of the power picks in October's new launch for this Girlactik foundation. So I'm going to share with you what was sent over in the package. They felt that I should have been F2, and with Ipsy, based on my beauty quiz, they ended up choosing for me F3. Now I have shared with you in previous videos that what I ended up doing was changing in my beauty quiz to the shade light as opposed to light medium. And I'm a little hesitant because the beautiful bronzer from another brand that was in there was a perfect match. But when I saw what they sent over, I think it will be a perfect match. So I want to share with you the swatches for this because I know a lot of you wrote to me in the comments that you also got F3 and you found it to be a little bit too yellow. What I shared with you is what I was able to do so that I didn't miss out on this fantastic new launch foundation was I used a light powder over it, a foundation powder over it, as well as a light, what do you call it? Like a loose powder, so that I'd be able to help actually counter-react that color. But it's better if you can get the perfect match. And when they sent this over, they also sent me some discount codes that I'm going to share in the comments down below, so that if you want to also change your shade, you'll be able to choose another product from them with the proper shade at a really great discount that they sent over in my DMs on my Instagram. But I wanted to make sure to share this, though definitely there'll be some pictures on my Instagram, but I wanted to share it in this video as well. All right, so the product that I'm talking about is, it came in this packaging that a lot of us got the opportunity. It was a power pick, so Ipsy chose it for us from Girlactik. And if you're not familiar, it is their 2-in-1, this Luminous Tint foundation. And those are all the shades that are here. So with light medium, Ipsy ended up choosing for me, which should have been, I think, the right shade, but there was just too much of a yellow undertone on it, as you saw, which I will swatch again here. But they ended up choosing for me, which was F2, which I think has a better undertone for my skin type. So I think that would be a great match. But they have a great line here from F1, which is fair, all the way to their deep shade there. So you should be able to find a good match. I just, as I mentioned, what was sent to me through Ipsy based on my quiz, which I chose light medium, it ended up not being a great match. But as I mentioned, this is one of their newer launches from Girlactik, and I've shared with you, and I should pull it out here, I have some other products that I'm really enjoying from them, like their eyeshadow palette. Let me just pause here. Let me put this up to the screen so you guys can see all the information in reference to this and all of the colors on this side, as well as you can see the information that is there. And I'm just going to pause the video to share with you some other products that were in my stash from this brand that I am currently enjoying. Just give me one sec. Okay, so this is the brand Girlactik. All of them have this mirror packaging on it, but this I have been enjoying. A lot of you have gotten this palette as well. Really, really beautiful, beautiful palette. And then in a previous one, another, again, mirror packaging, we got this gorgeous palette from them also. That is one that has the brush, the bronzer, as well as, let me just see if I can open this. Yeah, here, I'm gonna cover the mirror the best that I can in here. So this again was chosen for me for light medium, and it really was a beautiful, beautiful match. So I'm a little nervous about the beauty quiz, but we'll have to see. In reference to foundations, I'm hoping that me changing it to light is going to be the right thing. So you'll have to share with me in the comments what you think I should do. So give me one more sec, because I want to share with you what was sent over in the package so I can show you them side by side. Okay, so here we have them side by side. So this one here is the one that is in shade light, which is F2. And then right beside it here is the one that is in F3 that they're calling neutral. As I shared with you, I don't feel that that is neutral. I think that has more of a yellow undertone, but the best way is for me to swatch and share it with you. This has a fantastic little pump. I've already pressed this a few times to be able to take the picture for Instagram first, which I did. If you're not following me on Instagram, my name there is Truewants with the number 2, but that is the one that is F2. And let me just try to do this the best that I can. A little bit easier with pictures than filming, but that is the F2. And then the other one that is F3, which is one shade lighter, and I've been trying to use this, so this tube you can see looks a little bit loved, so I apologize for that. But then this one here I'm going to put right beside it, which is the one that, as I shared with you, is F3. So I'm going to show you the 2 dots, and then I'm going to pull them out so you can see that as well. All right, so this one here is the one that is F2, and then right beside it here we have the one that is F3. So there's a good jump there between the 2, and where I'm filming, the lights that I have here are supposed to be daylight, so I wanted to make sure to share that with you guys as well. And then here you can see them with my fingers. And then of course, when you rub things out or blend them in, you definitely will see that the F2, I think, is a really good match for me, which is right here. And then we have the F3 right above it there. So I'll take a little bit more here, try to deepen it up. But of course, as you blend things out, they're going to be better. But as you can see here, the coverage is beautiful, but the F2 matches 100% my skin tone that I put here on the arm. So I wanted to make sure to share that with you there. So this one ended up being okay. It just gave me a little bit more of a tanned look with a little bit more of a yellow undertone. But as I blended it out, it ended up being okay. But definitely bang on is the light in the F2. So I wanted to sit down and share this with you guys. But thank you so much to Girlactik to, watch the videos, seeing my posts on Instagram. I think that is really nice when the brands reach out when they think it's more of an error of a tone or an actual product shade that might be incorrect. And I find it very generous that they ended up sending to us here at Truewants, so I'd be able to share with you guys the differences between the 2. And on top of it, that discount code, that if you want to go in, it's substantial. I'll leave that in the comments, pin it in the comments down below, so that if you're interested, you'll be able to then pick up a shade that might be a better match to you. If you also shared with me in the comments, which a lot of you did, you felt that this was way too dark for you. But I'd also love for you guys to share, which is what this channel is all about. We are a channel that shares information with each other. So if you found a good way to make this one work like I did, please share it in the comments down below. You also know that there's brands out there in the drugstore that you can buy this white that can actually make the foundation go a little bit lighter if you want to blend that in as well. But also using powders, which is how I do it, because I'm a combo girly. With powders, I'm able to have powders in different shades that I use to set my foundations. But this foundation dried down beautifully, and that, where they call it luminous, don't worry if you're a combo girly. I did not find that it was overly shiny. It really left me with a beautiful, beautiful coverage. And what I loved about it was I can use it as a tinted moisturizer just with one pump. Or if I wanted some areas that I wanted to make it a little bit more coverage, I literally used like a half a pump more, and it really gave me the coverage that I was very comfortable with. So I wanted to make sure to share that with you guys, that I wanted to make sure that if I had the opportunity, because this arrived at a time that I can sit down and film, that I wanted to make sure to share that with you guys as well. So once again, thank you so much to Girlactik for taking the time not only to send a package in this gorgeous themed packaging of yours, that when I saw this in the box, I knew that it was from your company because of all the beautiful reflective packaging. But more importantly, that they watch and they want to make sure that we can have the opportunity to even enjoy their products more. So either you can wait to keep your fingers crossed that it will show up in the Ipsy shop and you'll be able to choose another shade, or you can use that discount that will bring it down to a price that I think would be really comfortable for you guys as well. So really happy that I have the opportunity with this channel to show the 2 completely different shades. Again, this one is F2, which they call light, and then this one here that is F3 that is called Neutral. So wanted to take the time to share. Please take the time also to share in the comments down below. And if you like to learn a little bit more about the products, the brands, always about the deals, and of course some spoilers on the subscription boxes, which as I shared with you, I'm probably not going to be able to do as many, especially this next quarter, because we're really busy with improving lifestyles. So I wanted to make sure to take the time to share with you when I can these opportunities that come my way because I have the channel to be able to share with you swatch the products and be able to share with you when I can the differences between the two. And that's it for this video, guys. So if this is interesting to you, I hope you'll share in the comments down below. But more importantly, if you want to be part of the growth of this channel and you enjoy a channel that takes the time to share a little bit more information about the brands, the products, the deals, and of course, sometimes now in the future, some spoilers on subscription boxes, then I hope you will take the time to also be part of the growth simply by subscribing. It's free, it's easy. You press that subscribe button right underneath this video and you're in. Appreciate the thumbs up, as well as if you have the hype button and you want this video to go out to others in a little broader way, that hype button should help as well. So don't forget to share in the comments if you got this product as well. And if you had a good color match for you, please leave your skin tone in the comments down below to help everybody else out that is part of our beauty community here at Truewants. And again, if you've watched in full, the word of the day is going to be Girlactik, so that I know that you've watched all the way to the end. And that's it for this video, guys. So continue to stay safe and well, and I'll see you all soon again in the next one. Bye for now.